Shit, I was fucking recording that whole time. If I lose this, I'm gonna be pissed. Is that you? It was? Look how fucking grassy it is. Go through it. Hell no. I feel so weird having rode so long. Lead the way, nice and slow. Come on, man.
What?
Get that thing out the way. This is like one of the best trails out here. Feel this dirt.
Hey, thank you.
Dude, it's hard as shit to see.
Oh, I know.
With the fucking weird shade shit. God damn it.
Are we gonna move this sucker or?
I guess. My bike's on your fucking bike.
Oh.
Fucking trail maintenance. Oh yeah. That's movable. I guess we just put it where my bike is.
I don't know how many trees I've out here. Nobody's done anything out here.
Shit. You'd think all the local boys be trimming some trees. They must hate this place now. You know? The fuck are we gonna do with this?
I don't know. I about drilled the fuck out of it and I kept waiting for you to come through.
It's not gonna go that way. That tree's in the way. Might have to just put it here and put it in the way. Have people go over it.
Fuck, dude.
There we go. Let's plow through the trees.
Oh, I got my helmet.
What? Fuck.
Holy fuck. We need a chainsaw.
Great start to recording, huh?
I turned mine off.
That's a good idea.